Hi, my name is Raj. I'm the product manager for Nutanix Test Drive. Test Drive is the easiest, simplest, and the quickest way for anyone to see what Nutanix has to offer. It is the easiest way to experience and use Nutanix products. By reserving a test drive and launching the test drive, you instantly have access to the Nutanix cloud platform. So in this video, let me demonstrate how you can do that. By going to the Nutanix website, you can see the test drive page. So once you click on this, it logs you, it opens the test drive web page. Here you can see the various options you have available in the different test drives. Let's pick the top one, modernize your data center. This is an overall view of the Nutanix platform. All you have to do is enter your work email address on here and hit continue. Note that your personal email addresses will not work. In the back end, we're reserving a test drive for you and we'll send you an email with instructions on how to log in. So you can click this button and it takes you to a login screen. There is an access code we require you to enter, and this is typically in your email. What you can also do is this is how the email would look, and you can just click on the Start Now button, and that automatically logs you into the test drive without needing you to enter the access code. Okay, so now we're in the test drive dashboard. So let me refresh this. Okay, yeah, now we're in the test drive dashboard. You can see the test drive you reserved. Below here, you can also see the other test drives that are available to you. Let me quickly go through these, and then we will launch into the test drive we just reserved. The Era test drive is a Nutanix database NDB product. Here you can see the simplicity of database operations. Calm is our self-service product or automation product. Our Xi Leap is a disaster recovery product. Our unified storage and mine are all unified storage related and backup related products. So you can see there is a number of different test drives depending on what Nutanix product you're interested in or what Nutanix product you already have. You can come back and try to get a refresher of that product as well. We have test drives for our hybrid cloud, which is our NC2 product, and the Azure NC2 Azure and NC2 AWS. We have test drives for Citrix with AWS, our Red Hat RHEL partnership, and also for our Flow security and Flow products. So depending on what you're interested in, go ahead and select one, and that will launch you into the new test drive. Okay, now let's look at the one that you've already reserved. We already reserved as part of this demo. So you can click on Connect, or you can go to the email and click on the Start Now button. That will also directly launch you into that test drive. But you can click on this Connect here. Now we will be loading the platform, which you will see. It's the Nutanix Cloud Platform. Here we will be loading the Prism. Okay, so we loaded the Prism interface. This is the management interface of the Nutanix cluster. You can click here. That opens the test drive menu. And every one of these categories is purpose-built so we can educate you as a Nutanix customer or a prospect on what Nutanix has to offer. Let's click on a few of them and see what they have. Built on a private cloud, this tells you how to manage your VMs and storage, or how to leverage ML data so your operations are simplified, or how to automate your applications. Clicking on them, you see more options. Here you can see how to create VMs, manage your storage policies, and other options. All of the test drives will look something similar to this, where we have a number of menu screens depending on that test drive. You can click on every one of them. Once you launch, we'll give you a step-by-step guidance on what to do. In this case, it's saying click on the menu. Now click on compute and storage. So it's taking you a step-by-step guide on how to perform some operations in the test drive. You can always close out of this, and you can navigate around the test drive all on your own. If you want to see what different dashboards we have, you can click here for the management. If you want to see the different menu options, so let's see what hardware clusters, hosts, you can do all of that on your own as well. So it can either be a guided option or it can be a self-service option. And you're welcome to come back to the dashboard and reserve other test drives and go through them as well. That's a demo. Thank you.